Okay, hello. In this tips video, we're going to talk about our clock. Occasionally you might see your clock down here is going to be using the wrong time. Most of the time that would be because your BIOS is not set right. You go into your BIOS and adjust your clock and you reboot and you're still not got the right time. We're going to show you how to fix that. You can see this is how I got my clock set up. This is the string of text and commands that sets mine up with the color, the font, and the layout. Let's see what we got to do here. So I got up this morning. My clock says something beside 9:22. So I'm going to sign in as root. Give it my password. And then I'm going to, just out of curiosity, type in date. You can see it's Sunday, July the 25th at 9:22, 38 seconds, Central Daylight Time in 2021. And that is correct. But we are going to set that differently. So the first thing here you can see is the year, which is 21, no space. The month is 07, no space. The day, the month and the day is the 25th. And next would be the hour. Mine says 9:23, and that's 09. And the next one is the minutes, and let's change that to, say, 35. So it's 35. And when you got that set, press enter. And now it's going to readjust our time to 9:35. Right there. See, it changed. 9:35. I'm going to up arrow that last command back and put this back where it should be. See, 24. Press enter. And now you see it's back to 9:24. So setting your clock, very easy. This is one of the easiest methods that I've seen to adjust your time in a distribution. Okay, so what we're going to do here is SSH using FBSD 13 to SSH secure shell into an Arch Linux installation or Arch Linux ISO. Got it set up in my virtual box. I get 4 gigabytes of RAM, 2 cores of my processor. I have turned the video memory all the way up, enabled the EFI, and here, very important, we're going to take it off the NAT and put it on bridged adapter, and this will provide for us to get a separate IP address from what the host machine is running. Okay, so we booted into Arch Linux, and on the host machine, I need to find out the status of my SSH daemon, SSHD. Check the status, and it is running. I enabled it in my rc.conf file, and you will have to as well. You're going to take the ISO now and check to make sure we're online. Okay. And we can set up a password for the root user. Give it a password and confirm. Now we'll need an IP address. So that is IP space A. You see in this case, INET is 192.168.0.153. It's time to SSH into that. This command is exactly like it would be if you was using SSH to. This would be just like if you was doing this in Arch Linux. The command is actually exactly the same. SSH at space root at, and then whatever the IP address is. You'll have to type in yes, and then give it the password. Now we're into the system. So at this point, you can copy and paste and install your medium. That's it. That's how to set your clock and to use SSH. Make sure you enable your daemon in the etcrc.conf file, enable that service is yes. If you don't want it to come on, change the yes to the no. All right, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on another video. Peace out. Bye.